Welcome to the breathtaking transition from winter's icy grip to the vibrant embrace of spring. From the gentle trickle of thawing ice to the rustling calm breeze that dances through towering trees, behold the awakening of a new season. Picture a woman twirling among blossoming flowers, surrounded by birds flitting about, each one seeking nectar from nature's bounty. Join us in celebrating the glories of creation, the delights of spring, and beyond, as we witness these incredible creatures display their special vocal talents. From the melodious warbles of the nightingale to the spirited tunes of the robin, every bird brings its unique charm to the stage. But here's where you come in. We want you, our incredible viewers, to be the judges. Drop a comment below with the name of the bird you think deserves the crown of the best springtime singer. Let your voice be heard as we ring in the spring with birds that sing. Don't miss out on this captivating spectacle of nature's symphony. Hit that like button, subscribe to Wild Animal World for more awe-inspiring content, and let the birds sing off begin. So let's get right to it. Bird number 1, 𝐿𝐻𝐵𝐻. Bird number 2, the great reed warbler. Bird number 3, European robin. Bird number 4, crested lark. Bird number 5, lyrebird. Bird number 6, peacock, also known as Indian peafowl. Bird number 7, eastern towhee. Bird number 8, Eurasian blackbird. Bird number 9, red tanager. Bird number 10, ortolan bunting. Bird number 11, marsh warbler. 12. 𝐷𝐷𝐿𝐴𝐽 𝐻𝐻 𝐻𝐿𝐴. Bird number 13, indigo bunting. Bird number 14, Eurasian skylark. Bird number 15, the thrush nightingale. Bird number 16 will have you singing like a canary. Bird number 17, northern mockingbird. Bird number 18, the Baltimore oriole. Bird number 19, the rock wren. Bird number 20, the African grey parrot. So, which one of these birds stole your heart with its enchanting song? Is there one, or many? Share your favorite in the comments below and become part of this musical journey. Together, let's spread joy, positivity, and appreciation for the power of music intertwined with nature's symphony. Join us in welcoming spring with open arms and hearts full of gratitude. But wait, there's more. Don't forget to show your love for nature's maestros by smashing that like button and hitting subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you're not just embracing the beauty of spring, you're joining a community dedicated to cherishing and protecting our wildlife. Your opinion really matters in our world, that is, the wild animal world. The wild animal.